Kawayan. That's Jaire Gatumbato.
So, simula dito sa 2-3 zone itong JT Taipan Bulacan. So, Benitez with a first try para dito sa Kawayan. And actually, nila first. Dalawa try siya. Then dito, ito naman sa mga bataan ni Coach Alvin. Alam ko, mga taga-tubong Kawayan din to. So, labanan ng Bull, Prasi, Prisaa, at saka Basi, Prisaa. Baliwag versus foul dito sa game natin.
Na masyado malakas yung tira. But the second Health Fisher Spring, the provider of safe and affordable drinking water to Filipinos. As we take a look at the flurry of shots mula dito. And thank you for that report, Noah Sanchez. Sorry, that is John Lloyd Hertes. Pasok yung kanya.
So, pwede natin sabihin scoreless pa rin dito or baga, wala pa rin field goal.
Finally, until that time.
The first field goal.
Lawrence Pangan, that is.
So, parang nakadagdag inspirasyon dito ng Kawayan na alam mo yung
ni Rinoa na missing daw ang star player ng Kawayan. I wonder who that is. As Devron Benitez scores that pound-for-pound foul-counted play, brought to you by Pound-for-Pound Fitness, the official fitness partner.
Sa mini-series natin dito.
Oo.
Kumbaga, nasa kanila na ngayon, nakasalalay, makauwi man lang.
A basket. And the fury of the Bamboo Archers as that's another basket.
Mula doon sa 18 and under, hanggang dito sa 14 and under, kumbaga nagsanib po.
Pinaghirapan nila makabalik dito sa ball game. Sayang naman kung hindi pa nila makuha yung unang lead nila, as that is Espiritu putting some spirit back in traffic attacks. Gets it over to his teammate Mintis dun si Alcanar. Tumatakbo si Espiritu, flying for that breakaway layup. Forcing made for JT Bulacan Taipan with 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining in the first.
Malamig na Niagara.
Oo. Sinabi ko nga kanina, hindi mo akalaing malamig kasi yung isa sa mga main products nila ay
air ventilation.
Air ventilation talaga. And we have there nice drop pass mula kay Jelter Dumael.
Nagkataon doon, a good pass. Yun na nga, a good
drop. Red shirt. And Mintes Espiritu with a putback. And a pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play. As we take a look at the replay of that move. Wants to get it to Espiritu. The pass was a little off. And now una dito, that was almost a chase down block. But John Lloyd
it's a penalty na dito para sa Bulacan. Yun sinasabi kong
mata. Here are the Bamboo Archers.
Wow!
Archers are now up 28-25. As we take a look at some highlights, John Lloyd Hertes weaving his way through the JT Bulacan. Nothing because of those technical fouls that were called on them to start this ball game. As Devron Benitez powers his way to the basket.
May sinabi mo doon, powers his way. Nagsimula tayo, baka nagtataka, ba't dalawa yung white dito sa game na to? Kasi, yun na nga, may isang team.
The pass was off mula dito kay Clark Javier. So we've got, I would like Kawayan naman, may dalawang Javier, Clark and Caleb.
So, hindi kaya malayo, kambal din yan?
Baka din, kambal din sila.
Isa yan sa mga pwede natin ipatalong sa courtside.
Doesn't go for Gatumbato. Tumatakbo ulit dito ang Bulacan. Nauuna doon. And that easy shot goes in for Aljon Capule. Lumamang uniform ng Kawayan. Talagang may kakaiba din naman sila. May mga May mga kawayan talaga sa ano nila, sa ULAT
taas.
din sa taas. Yun yung medyo ano rin kasi medyo similar din yung pattern ng kanilang uniform na may color din sa ibabaw tapos white yung baba. That's Edison Mintes. Rebound goes to Mata. They're pushing the action again. Here's Devron with the basket.
On na may halong Lebron.
Oo.
Eh,
Rebound there and the basket mula dito.
balik sa 5 dito. 3 minutes left. Tandaan nyo dito, nakalamang din na rin ng 5 itong may kawayan dito sa game na to with 30-25. Ngayon,
I don't see him on my sheet, but anyway, bola babalik dito ngayon sa may kawayan. That's a
whoa!
foul and a basket.
He deserved that flex.
That's a pound for pound fitness foul counted play brought to you by Pound for Pound Fitness. Let's see if we can make good the bonus free throw. Ulit ng may kawayan. Dumael over to Benitez, and that is a basket. They retake the lead with less than. Here's Deswasido over to Jordan. Drop pass, nice pass, good basket para dito kay Mark by Bean. Let's take another look at some highlights from the second quarter. Yes, ng may kawayan. Here's Edison, Jordan. He will get that jumper. Wanted to get it underneath to Pangan. Stolen. Here's Santos with the layup and in.
Points, 48-43. Babawi dito si Jordan. Wala, kuha ng kakambal niya. Si Edison, and an easy layup for him.
3 fouls. Allison with the steal. Gets it to Edison. Edison will attack and make the shot.
Pagiging reckless ng isang 14 and under. No?
Lulo almost losing the ball there. Dumael will get that hanging shot. We have another instance of a player who is not on the list.
Oh, kumbaga, kung ikaw ba naman lalamang ng 15 in the first half, kumbaga bago magsimula. Kumbaga, ibang pressure yung ibibigay on the adjustment na nakikita natin. Lamang na lamang dito yung may kawayan.
Oh, and you've got a pound for pound fitness foul counted play there para dito kay Dumael. Itong may kawayan, they are enjoying a 7-point lead. Binali pa ni Benitez yung kanyang tira, hindi pumasok.
Wow!
On the third try and the shimmy. Take another look at that. Ito, pasok, foul, and I hope kuha yung shimmy niya. He already has 19 points. 20. Was able to get the ball across, pero wala talaga. Ito ulit, Devron Benitez. Take a look at that. Hindi niya ininda yung hinabol. Dapat mag-47 with less than a minute to go dito sa ating third quarter. Nice drop pass to Baybin, and Baybin will score.
Hey, shout out there to Kapuli.
Ito, it's now with Yulo. Dumael loses his man, goes inside, and makes the basket.
What a move right there by Dumael.
We'll take another look at some highlights of this third quarter.
Gatong
Almost
bato.
total domination para dito sa may kawayan Bamboo Archers. Bato, you've got Dumael with this beautiful move. And Samonte also contributing, but it will let Hertes dito sa loob. Again on the attack, Hertes with another move! Substitutions going in. So Dumael will check out of the ball game for now.
Ang tinatawag natin Pinoy step. Ano?
Oh,
Talagang
pressure being applied on Deswasido. Jumper in and out para dito kay Balboa. But the putback is good for Pangan.
fans itong JT Taipan Bulacan. They're manning na Devron Benitez.
Ooh, yet again! John Lloyd Hearn. Time out. Provider, of course, Nature Spring is a provider of safe and affordable drinking water to Filipinos. We'll be back. Thought about the three. Goes inside. Drops it off. Kick out. Espiritu for three. Yes! So, with 3 minutes, Gatumbato attacking inside. He's met by Pangan. Gets a second helping and it will by Espiritu. Drop off Pangan. Nice fake. And that's a basket. Here's Dumael being harassed by Desposito. Gives it up to Yulo. To the corner. Reyes for three. Yes! Now, let's take another look at that triple from Reyes. Straight and true. This time out.
Dun sa second chance points because and then points in the paint. It's because of that kid and si Devron Benitez.
Balik tayo dun sa ano, they want to create good habits para dito sa ating
Yes.
players. So yung referees, hindi rin talaga magle-let up yan sa kanilang officiating. Sinabing hindi na titira. So, the 14 and under division team of May Kawayan, Bulacan recovering some